we're gonna finish our cleaning. We did not expect that we will go back, so we thought it's just a one-day job, but it turned out that we are cleaning a mansion or a huge house. So we are going there again, and it's 8:45, and we wanted to be there early, but I think we were so tired yesterday. We got up late, and we are so blessed today because John decided to drive us there, and here he is, the handsome stud. And we are so excited because, well, I am excited because I would like to see the breathtaking view of that place. So once you go up the hill and you pass by this road or the street heading towards where we are going, and you will pass by in this, you know, like hill part, and you can actually just stop and just enjoy the view. And oh my goodness, it's so breathtaking, it's so beautiful. Like you can just sit there for hours and just enjoy the fresh air and the quietness and the green, you know, the green trees, the trees, the flowers in there. And what I like it's really so quiet and just peaceful. And a lot of people yesterday, we saw them walking, you know, or exercising, jogging and biking. And yeah, so that's a good place. And you know, I wish we could afford that luxury, guys. It's very expensive. So, but it's good. It's a good experience to be able to, you know, clean a huge house like that. And it's fun, and it's, you know, it's charged to experience that you are you know, see those kind of designs. And so hopefully we will finish early today because as I have another job later, and so we have to drop by at Walmart Gilroy before we head to the house, just to get some cleaning supplies, because today we're gonna mop the floor and clean the bathroom. And what else are we gonna do? Yeah, basically the bathroom and bedroom, and mop the floor. But since it's a huge house, you know, it's not that easy. So we have to really maximize our time and, you know, finish it as soon as we can, because I have another job later. So I just wanted to rest before I go to my other job. Okay guys, that's it for now, and I will be sharing this video on my next vlog, house cleaning part 2. Thank you very much guys for watching the part 1 of this house cleaning. And for those who subscribe guys for my video, thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. And you know, and for those who subscribe and for those who watch, thank you for giving me your time, or you know, giving your time in watching that video. I'm still learning guys on editing, and I know that I have so much more to learn. So thank you very much, and have a wonderful and a great day. God bless. Hi guys, so we are here in Walmart right now. John is being funny. So we are here in Walmart right now. We're gonna get supplies guys for cleaning.
We have to go to the house.
And we're just looking for the household items. So where could it be? We are here in Walmart Gilroy and we are not familiar with the location of their cleaning supplies and stuff. So we're just gonna scoop it out. We're just gonna look around. And there's John there. Okay guys, so here's my mom behind me. And John is there. Okay. Okay guys, so we'll chat with you later. So we're following our leader. We're following the tour guide here in Walmart. Excuse me, tour guide, can you show us the cleaning supplies, mister? And he's being funky. So I don't think we are in the right aisle. So look at those guys. Oh, I like, you know, house stuff. Like things that beautify the house. And look at this. Okay, I have to be careful. Okay guys, here's Maggie. Say hi, Maggie.
Hi.
How's your day so far? Hi. So hi guys, we're able to get all the supplies that we need here in Walmart. So we're gonna use Bona to clean their wood floors. She wanted it kind of shiny, so we just used that one. And I think we have to get two because it's a big place. And then we also have Clorox for the toilet. Okay guys, that's it for now. And here's Maggie pushing the cart. Hi Maggie! Are you ready to clean again? Yes. Okay. Here's Johnny guys. He likes to listen to music while he's cleaning. What kind of music is that, John?
Violin music.
Oh, violin? Or you're using the instrument violin? Thank you, John, for helping us. I appreciate you.
It's going faster along.
I appreciate you very, very much.
Yeah.
In the secret place of the Most High. Shall we abide under the shadow of the Almighty? I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress, my God. In Him I will trust. He who dwells in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress, my God. In Him I will trust.
Thank you guys for watching our video. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.